this is Melody with usbornebookbarn.com, and you can find me on Facebook at Melody's Book Barn. I'd like to share with you really quickly how I make transparent backgrounds for the images that I use a lot in my Usborn book business. So I do use a paid service. It's called Clipping Magic, and I use the light one. So it's $4 a month, and it gives you 15 times to do it. And that's what I use. I usually don't ever run out, so it's fine for me. If you're looking for something that's free, then I would just Google, how to make transparent background free. I've tried a lot of different things, and I've gone with this one because it's just the easiest for me to use. I've been able to really quickly learn how to do it. So I'm at Clipping Magic, and this is where it takes you after you create a little account, and I'm going to upload an image. All right, and I have a folder with all of my faces on it. So I had one of Desiree. Let's see, so let's do Desiree. Open. All right, so it's going to give you two screens side by side. This is the original, as you can see, and this is the result. So this is like what's happening when you click over here. So it starts off with the green. That means the plus sign. That's the keeper. So you go ahead and just mark everything that you want to keep. I like to do the white parts just so it doesn't kind of confuse them. Everything you want to keep. You can just click and drag. Now when it gets to parts that are really small and that it's kind of too big to click on, you can just zoom in by doing the little roller on your mouse. And if it goes like this, like, oh no, how do I get back over there? Go to your right screen, to the results screen, and click and drag it to where you want it. All right, so we're still on the green. So I'm going to do her finger, do all of this, her cute nail polish. All right, and then I go over to the right side when I want to kind of reposition it. Save all of this. Okay, now I'm going to go to the red, and the red is a minus. It means take away. So I'm going to do it on the left side, and it's going to show you over here on the right. Oh, see that? The checkerboard over here means that it's transparent. So I want everything but Desiree to be transparent. So you can click and drag, whatever you want to do. And then again, when it gets like really close and you don't think that your little space is, or maybe it's too big, that's when you can go over here and kind of zoom in and reposition. Okay, I want to maybe get rid of that little part there. So I go back over here and I just go click. Okay, nice, and go here. How are we over here? There's still some gray because it kind of goes with there. So there we go. Got rid of the gray. All right, and then you can see that this is all transparent except for Desiree. Okay, it looks good. That is wonderful. So done. I go up here to the blue download button. It's going to show, yep, and I want to download. Boop. And it's going to ask me to save it somewhere. So I did that. I've saved it. Now, I'm going to show you how I put this on a banner. So we're going to make Desiree's banner. So I'm going to go to Picmonkey. That's what I use. I do have the paid version of Picmonkey. I don't remember how much it is, but I make a lot of graphics, so I do splurge for the paid. And then I do the beta. So I'm going to click here, switch to new Picmonkey. And it's going to show up in just a second. There we go. And I like it because it does save everything that I've been working on. All right, so we're going to click on this one, and I'm going to click Edit a Copy. I love it. I could save it to any folders that I have. Look, we'll just click Facebook Party, and I could name it Desiree Banner Sample, whatever. We're just playing around. Okay, I've actually already done Desiree's banner. So I'm going to delete this and show you how I got it there. All right. So here we have a banner for a party group. We love doing parties, helping people get free books as hostesses. So I want to put Desiree right here. I'm going to go to add an image. Now this is, like I said, the new Picmonkey. If you're using the old one, Over here, I believe you'll see like a little butterfly tool for overlay, and then you go up to the top and click your own, and then upload. But this is why I like the paid version. I can go to computer, and I'm going to go to where got Desiree. Let's see if I can find her quickly. There it is. Okay, I got Desiree. All right, and look, there she is. Yay! But she's on the wrong side. See how this is flat? This, like her sweater is flat, so I need her to be on the other side. I just go over here and go flip. Yay! How easy was that? And you can flip it all kinds of ways. And then I'm just going to click and drag her to where I want. Now, obviously, we don't want her covering all those letters, so make her a little bit smaller. Oh, but look, she looks tiny over there compared to these books, right? So, and I could click on this layer. They're all layers, so you can see that. So I could click on this layer and make it smaller, but I like it that size. So we just need to make her bigger. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to click and drag until she's just a little bit bigger. And maybe that's too big. Just got to figure out what is, what you like, what you don't like, what works. Okay. I like that. I'm going to fix it in a second so she's not right there. So another way to make it look good, I'm going to make her pop a little. I'm going to go to Effects, and this is why I love Picmonkey versus Canva right now, is all I have to do is click Drop Shadow, and look, it makes her stand out. I'm going to click it again to uncheck it and watch what happens. Flat and kind of poking out, create some depth. If you want to create more depth, you can go down to Intensity. You can just make it really intense. It just creates a shadow behind her. Medium's fine. I kind of like that. That's good. Okay. All right. Yay. So she's got a little shadow there. Super cool. Now she's too close to that C. So I'm going to click on it, and I could just click and drag, but look, it kind of moves it a big chunk each time. So instead of clicking and dragging, I'm going to use my arrow keys. That's a big hack right here. And I'm going to just go do my little arrow keys, and it just moves it itty bitty. Isn't that great? So I kind of like her right there. I still think she looks big. We can see her face. Look at that. I like that for Desiree. Yay. Okay. And so then I go to Export, and I like to save as PNG, and you can change the name, and then you export to computer. Boom! And then you've got it. So this is a really great party banner that she can use. And then anytime she wants to make a different pose or a different picture of herself, she can just really quickly click and delete, and then add a new one with adding an image. Super, super fun. So that is how you make an image transparent and add it to the party banner. Thanks for watching. I hope you've enjoyed it. And if you're looking for books, please join me at melodiesbookbarn.com and on Facebook at Melodies Book Barn. I have a really awesome VIP group. Super fun. We do specials, giveaways, lots of fun contests, and just get like a sneaky peeky inside the books. So please join me if you're interested. Thanks so much, friends. Bye-bye.